Cell, the basic unit of life. Pili fimbriae, found only in gram-negative bacteria, found both in gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Longer and broader structure, shorter and narrow structure, tubular-like structure, Bristol-like solid structure, 1 to 4 in number per cell, 300 to 400 in number per cell. Help in conjugation, help in attachment, phagocytosis, pinocytosis. Intake of solid materials or food, intake of fluid or liquid materials. Vesicles formed called phagosome, large in size. Vesicles formed called pinosome, small in size. Digestion of food materials occurs inside digestive vacuole. Digestion of absorbed materials may or may not occur. Lysosome is required for digestion of materials present inside phagosome. If digestion of liquid materials is not needed, then lysosome has no role. Undigested materials thrown by exocytosis or ephagy. No exocytosis or ephagy. Primary wall, secondary wall. Present below middle lamella, present below primary wall. Capable of extension, does not expand. Formed in growing cells, formed when cells stop growing. Single layered, 3 or more layered. Develops or grows by process intussusception, grows by accretion process. Primary wall, secondary wall. Low cellulose content, high cellulose content. Hemicellulose content is up to 50% high. Hemicellulose content is up to 25% low. Has 60% hydration, has 30 to 40% hydration. 5 to 10% lipids content, lipids generally absent. Up to 5% protein content high, 1% or less protein content low. Primary wall, secondary wall. Additional materials like lignin etc. are absent. Additional materials are present like lignin, suberin, pectin etc. It is thin, it is thick. It has short, wavy, loosely arranged cellulose microfibrils. It has long, straight or parallel, closely arranged cellulose microfibrils. Rough endoplasmic reticulum RER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER. Also called as granular endoplasmic reticulum, also called as agranular endoplasmic reticulum, made up of cisternae and few tubules, made up of tubules and vesicles. Ribosomes are attached over the surface of its membrane. Ribosomes are not attached over the surface of its membrane. Help in formation of lysosome through agency of Golgi apparatus, give rise to vacuole and spherosome. Rough endoplasmic reticulum RER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER. Involved in synthesis of proteins and enzymes, involved in synthesis of glycogen, lipids and steroids. Ribophorins present, help in attachment of ribosomes, ribophorins absent. Develops from outer nuclear membrane, develops from RER. Enzyme cytochrome P450 absent, cytochrome P450 involved in detoxification of xenobiotics is present. Rough endoplasmic reticulum RER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER. Present towards nuclear membrane, internal in position. Present towards cell membrane, external in position. Has narrow pores below ribosomes for passage of polypeptide into RER channel or lumen. Pores are absent. 80S ribosome, 70S ribosome. Found only in eukaryotic cell, found both in prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Sedimentation coefficient is 80, sedimentation coefficient is 70. Present either freely in the cytoplasm or attached over RER and outer nuclear membrane. Present freely in the cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell, also found attached over cell membrane of prokaryotic cell, present in the matrix of mitochondria and matrix, that is stroma of plastids. 80S ribosome, 70S ribosome has two subunits, 60S large subunit and 40S small subunit. Has two subunits, 50S large subunit and 30S small subunit. It is larger in size, it is comparatively smaller in size. Large subunit 60S has 28S rRNA, 5.8S rRNA and 5S rRNA. And small subunit 40S has 18S rRNA. Large subunit 50S has 23S rRNA, 5S rRNA, and small subunit 30S has 16S rRNA. 80S ribosome, 70S ribosome, synthesized inside the nucleolus, synthesized inside cytoplasm of prokaryotic cell and inside matrix of mitochondria and plastids. rRNA is to protein ratio is 40:60. rRNA is to protein ratio is 60:40. Consists of 73 protein molecules, 40 proteins in large subunit and 33 proteins in small subunit. Consists of 55 protein molecules, 34 proteins in large subunit and 21 proteins in small subunit. Outer mitochondrial membrane, inner mitochondrial membrane, bears porins and protein lined channels, bears carrier and other transport proteins. Enfoldings of membrane absent, has large number of enfolding called cristae. Contains few enzymes, contains a number of enzymes. Permeable to all chemicals, that is freely permeable membrane, selectively permeable membrane. Outer mitochondrial membrane, inner mitochondrial membrane. Has 40% lipids and 60% proteins, has 20% lipids and 80% proteins. Electron transport chain, that is system, absent. Electron transport system, ETS, present. Cardiolipins absent, cardiolipins present. Mitochondria, chloroplast, found in all types of aerobic animals and plant cells. Found only in certain types of protist and exposed parts or cells of plants. Colorless cell organelle, green colored cell organelle. Pigments are absent, pigments are present like chlorophylls, carotenoids, etc. Inner membrane shows enfoldings called cristae. Inner membrane does not show enfolds. Mitochondria, chloroplast, has no role in conversion of light energy into chemical energy, converts light or solar energy into chemical energy. Elementary particles, that is F0, F1 particle, oxysomes, found on inner membrane, involved in ATP synthesis. ATP synthesis performed by coupling factors, that is F0, F1, found on thylakoids. Thylakoids and grana are absent, thylakoids and grana are present. Mitochondria, chloroplast. Organic food is broken to produce CO2 and H2O. CO2 and H2O used in synthesis of organic food. Liberates energy by breaking food, stores energy by forming organic food. Consume oxygen, release oxygen, cylindrical in outline, disc-shaped in structure. Leucoplast, chromoplast. Colorless plastids, colorful orange, red, yellow plastids. Perform storage of various substances, provide color to plant parts. Pigments absent, so as thylakoids and grana absent. Pigments like carotenoids, lycopene, etc. present. Thylakoids and grana also present. Can change into other type of plastids, cannot change into other type of plastids. Found mainly in unexposed parts and do not attract pollinators. Found in exposed parts like flowers, fruits, attract pollinators during pollination. Microtubules, microfilaments, non-contractile, change in length occur due to assembly and disassembly of structural proteins. Contractile in nature, made up of tubulin, alpha tubulin and beta tubulin protein, made up of actin protein, contains 13 protofilaments, no such longitudinal subunits present, 25 nanometer diameter, 6 to 7 nanometer diameter. Microtubules, microfilaments, hollow tube-like structure, solid structure, have no role in endocytosis, help in endocytosis, form structural component of centriole, cilia, flagella, basal body, spindle fiber, astral rays, present below cell membrane and at the interface of plasma sol, plasma gel, help in directing vesicles into specific direction, perform cytoplasmic screening. Flagella, cilia, usually 1 to 4 per cell. Cilia per cell is usually large in number, 300 to 4000. Mostly found at one end of the cell, found throughout or major part of cell surface, longer in length 100 to 200 micrometer, smaller in length 5 to 20 micrometer. Flagella beat independently, cilia beat in coordination, either simultaneously or one after other. Flagella, cilia, help in locomotion, feeding, circulation and aeration, produce undulatory movement, perform oar-like sweeping or pendular stroke. Surface of flagella can be smooth or hairy, possess flammers. Surface of cilia is smooth. Cytoplasm, nucleoplasm. Mass of protoplasm present outside the nucleus. It is general mass of nucleus. Cytoplasm surrounded by plasma membrane, single membrane envelope. Nucleoplasm covered by nuclear envelope, two membranes envelope. Exist in sol gel form, no differentiation of sol gel. Contains a number of cell organelles and supporting structures, has only three components, matrix, nucleolus and chromatin. Cytoplasm, nucleoplasm. Cyclosis, that is cytoplasmic streaming, occurs continuously. Cyclosis absent. Contains endomembranes. Endomembranes absent. Represents site for ribosome functioning. It is site of ribosome formation. Forms bulk part of cell. Forms small part of cell. Cytoplasm, nucleoplasm. It is connected with various metabolic activities and functions. It contains genetic material for controlling cytoplasmic structures and functions. It consists of a number of chemicals like minerals, salts, ions, gases, biomolecules, hormones, enzymes, secretory materials, etc. It has small amount of minerals, sugars, amino acids, lipids, etc., but rich in nucleosides, nucleotides, proteins, and enzymes. Chromatin chromosome can be seen in interphasic nucleus, observable during M phase or karyokinesis. Represents less condensed form of nucleoprotein complex, represents highly condensed form of nucleoprotein complex, controls metabolism and other activities of the cell, involved in distribution of genetic information to the daughter cells, represents elongated fibrils running throughout nucleus and can undergo replication, represents short, thick, thread or rod-like structure. Replication cannot occur at chromosome stage. Euchromatin, heterochromatin, lightly stained, less condensed, diffused part, darkly stained, highly condensed part. Fibrous, narrower, 10 to 30 nanometer diameter, granular, thicker, 100 nanometer in diameter. Contains transcriptionally active genes, also shows crossing over. Contains transcriptionally inactive genes and inhibits crossing over. Forms bulk part of chromatin and replication occurs early. Present in certain places only in chromatin and replication occurs during late S phase. Has minimum coiling of nucleosome strand, has solenoid coiling of nucleosome strand. Gram positive bacteria, gram negative bacteria. Blue or purple colored retained after washing with alcohol or acetone. Color or stain is not retained. Have single layered cell wall, have two layered cell wall. Outer lipopolysaccharide, inner peptidoglycan. Cell wall is smooth, straight, attached throughout with cell membrane. Wavy cell wall attached with cell membrane at few places only. 20 to 80 nanometer thick cell wall, 8 to 12 nanometer thin cell wall. Gram positive bacteria, gram negative bacteria. 70 to 80% murine content, 10 to 20% murine content. Low lipid content in cell wall, 20 to 30% lipid content in cell wall. Two rings M and S in basal body of flagella. All four rings M, S, P and L in basal body of flagella. Susceptible to antibiotic, resistant to antibiotic. Mesosome more prominent, mesosome less prominent or absent. Gram positive bacteria, gram negative bacteria. Teichoic acid present in cell wall, teichoic acid absent in cell wall. Pili and flagella are rare, pili and flagella are more common. Fewer members are pathogenic, most members are pathogenic. Protoplast left after lysozyme treatment. After lysozyme treatment, spheroplast is left. Porins absent. Outer layer of cell wall has porins. Bacillus, Mycobacterium, Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Leuconostoc, Lactobacillus, Clostridium, Corynebacterium, Rhizobium, E. coli, Azotobacter, Acetobacter, Xanthomonas, Agrobacterium, Vibrio, Salmonella, Shigella. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Small in size 1 to 5 micrometer, large in size 5 to 100 micrometer, single envelope system, two envelope system. Muramic acid present in cell wall. Cell wall, if present, lacks muramic acid. Advanced, well-developed nucleus is absent. Instead, nucleoid is found. Advanced, well-developed nucleus is present, having nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and chromatin. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Genetic material is circular double-stranded DNA not associated with histone proteins called as nucleoid naked DNA. Main nuclear DNA is linear double-stranded and is associated with histone proteins. Extra nuclear DNA is circular double-stranded found in cell organelles like mitochondria and plastids. Chromatin and chromosomes are absent. Instead, prochromosome, genophore present. Chromatin and chromosome are present. Has GC rich DNA, A plus T upon G plus C less than 1. Has AT rich DNA, A plus T upon G plus C more than 1. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Flagellum, if present, is single-stranded made up of flagellin protein. Flagellum, if present, is 11-stranded 9 plus 2 made up of tubulin protein. DNA is present in cytoplasm. Main DNA is present in nucleus, nucleoplasm. Membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Membrane bound cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, lysosome, mitochondria, plastids, etc. are present. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Ribosomes are 70S types. Main ribosomes are 80S types. 70S type ribosomes found in mitochondria and plastids. True or sap vacuoles absent. Instead, false pseudo vacuoles present. True or sap vacuoles present in plant cell. Centrosome and centriole absent. Centrosome and centriole present in animal cell. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Spindle fibers are not formed during cell division. Spindle fibers, spindle apparatus formed during cell division. Thylakoids, if present, not stacked in the form of granum, directly scattered in the cytoplasm. Thylakoids are stacked in the form of granum found in chloroplast of plant cell. Extra genetic material, that is plasmid present, plasmid absent. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Amount of DNA is low, amount of DNA is high. Cytoskeleton absent. Cytoskeletons like microtubules and microfilaments present. Cyclosis, that is cytoplasmic streaming absent. Cyclosis present. Endocytosis and exocytosis absent. Endocytosis and exocytosis present in animal cell. No distinguish between cytoplasm and nucleoplasm. Cytoplasm and nucleoplasm can be distinguished due to presence of nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Replication of DNA, transcription of RNA, and translation of proteins occur in cytoplasm. Replication and transcription occur inside nucleus, whereas translation occurs in cytoplasm and mitochondria and plastids. Meiosis, gamete formation, zygote formation absent. Meiosis, gamete and zygote formation present. Respiratory enzymes are found in cytoplasm, over cell membrane and mesosome. Respiratory enzymes found in cytoplasm, inner membrane of mitochondria and matrix of mitochondria. Compartmentalization absent. compartmentalization present due to cell organelles. Animal cell, plant cell. Definite form of cell is less common. Cell has a definite form. Cell wall is absent. Rigid cell wall is present outer side. Shape of cell can oftenly change. Shape of the cell is fixed. Cell size is small. Cell size is comparatively larger. Can change its position and move about. Cannot change its position. Animal cell, plant cell. Has many small vacuoles if present. Has few large vacuoles. Plastids are not found. Plastids, that is chromoplast, chloroplast, leucoplast, are present. Has numerous number of mitochondria. Has fewer number of mitochondria. Nucleus is found in the center of the cell. Nucleus present towards periphery of the cell below cell membrane due to vacuoles. Animal cell, plant cell. Nucleus is round. Nucleus is elliptical. Centrioles present. Centrioles usually absent. Amphiestral type spindle fibers formation occur during cell division. Anestral type spindle fibers formation occur during cell division. Golgi body occurs in well-connected units forming Golgi complex. Golgi body present as unconnected units called as diptyosome. Phagocytosis can be performed. Phagocytosis cannot be performed. Animal cell, plant cell. Generally burst in hypotonic solution, does not burst in hypotonic solution. Glyoxysome absent. Glyoxysome found in oily or fatty acid sheets. Stored food is glycogen and fat. Stored food is starch and fat. Lysosomes occur in animal cell. Lysosomes absent. Instead, spherosomes, specialized vacuoles present. Animal cell, plant cell. Crystals usually absent. Inorganic crystals are present. Neighboring cells are connected by cell junctions. Adjacent cells are connected through plasmodesmata. Cytokinesis occurs by cleavage furrow method. Cytokinesis occurs through cell plate method. Centripetal cytokinesis occurs. Centrifugal cytokinesis occurs. Passive transport, active transport. Energy is not utilized. Expenditure of energy occurs. Takes place along the concentration gradient. Occurs against concentration gradient. It is physical process. It is vital process. Accumulation of substances does not occur. Accumulation of substances occur in the cell. It is slow process. It is rapid process. Passive transport, active transport. Partially non-selective, highly selective process. Carrier proteins like porins, channel permeases are required. Carrier proteins needed called as pumps. Movement of transport proteins does not occur. Movement of transport protein occur. Downhill transport occurs, that is from high to low concentration. Uphill transport occurs, that is from low to high concentration. No influence of metabolic inhibitors and not affected by O2 content. Transport stop due to presence of metabolic inhibitors and oxygen deficiency reduces transport.